You can now use any photo from your gallery as a custom chat background in Messenger, and it only takes a few simple steps. First, open the Messenger app on your phone. Now, go to the conversation where you want to change the chat background or apply a custom theme. Once the chat opens, tap the information icon in the top right corner of the screen. This will open the chat settings and customization menu. Scroll down a little until you find the customization section. Then, tap on Theme. A new menu will slide up from the bottom of the screen with different theme options. From here, tap on Upload an image. Messenger will now open your phone's gallery, so you can choose any picture you want to use as the chat background. Select your image from the gallery. After choosing the photo, you'll see a square selection box on the screen. Drag it left, right, up, or down to pick the exact part of the image you want to appear in the background. Once you're happy with the position, tap Save to continue. Messenger will now show you a preview of the new theme before applying it. If everything looks good, tap Select. And that's it. Your custom image background is now applied to the chat. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Messenger tips and customization guides.